Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to unclog, this is a bathroom sink. Just wanted to show you the water doesn't go down as fast as it used to. I don't know if you can see there, it starts accumulating. So it's not that bad, but I don't want it to get worse. So I don't know if you can see there. Slowly goes away. So underneath the sink, I'm going to show you what you have to do. Let me clean it out and get it ready. Okay, so I cleared everything out from the bottom. I don't know if you can see here. Then you have access to this part here. Let's see if I can get a better view of it. It's kind of hard. Let me get this out of the way. It's up here. But this thing here is what you're gonna take off. I don't know if you can see. It's like a cap. You basically twist it off. I need 2 hands for that. And then this part here that you can see, this is what holds down. Let's see if I can show it on here. This part of the sink, what goes up and down, which controls this thing here. So as soon as you loosen that up, you take that thing out, and then that long stick will go straight out to the back, and then you just pull it up and then clean out everything that's inside. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, just wanted to show how that thing comes off. I don't know if you saw there. And then this thing will come out completely, as you can see there. Should clean it up as well. And then just pull out the top part and clean it out. Okay, so I already cleaned out all the hair from the sink. That's what was clogging it up or making it go slow. And I don't know if you can see here, this thing that goes in here, that stick or that metal thing that was coming out, it goes into that hole there. And basically that's what is used when you use this part to go up and down. You can see, you can probably see it on the bottom move. Yeah, there you go. You can see it, see? That's what it is. And so you have to basically put it back through that hole and make sure it works correctly with this thing here. So let me go ahead and put all of that back and then see how the water goes through clean. Okay, so I put everything back on the bottom, and you can see that thing. When you push it up, it should close. Push it down, it'll open. And you can see everything on the bottom here. It's put back together. So let's check it out. Water should have no more problems at all anymore. And you can see it's not backing up anymore. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Thank you very much. And leave any questions or comments. I really appreciate it.